We back somewhat. Mk3 chip from C2 took a dump. All right, I had this one printed up today from, I don't think it has a logo on it, and it doesn't. All right, but I went down to United Motorsports. They're in Milford. I forget the guy's name. I'm so bad with names. I think it's, I'm not even gonna say it because I get it wrong. You know, they're gonna be mad. Todd? Jeff. I think it's Jeff. If it's not Jeff, I'm sorry. All right, but so the chip, the C2 chip took a dump. Okay? It was just getting hot, just shutting the hell off, and you can't even read the ECU. So it's not getting any communication. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open up this one. We're gonna pop out the old chip. We're gonna pop in the new chip, and I just do a battery on the car. I'm about to plug it up in a little bit. We'll see where we go from there. The B5, we'll come back around to that. I don't know, it's still just like super annoying. We're gonna figure it out, but just to make this I don't know why it's even important, but it's a regular OBD2 Mk3 vr6 ECU. All right, it's got these four little, you know, T25s or T27s, whatever the fuck they are in there. You know, you're just gonna undo those. I'll show you. It's hard to do with one hand. All right, there's screws. They're at the top right there. And we're gonna do the this if we can. Maybe we can't. All right, we can't. All right, we got it open. All right, so there's our old garbage chip. All right, and I know a bunch of people in write-ups saying like, oh, you need gloves and all types of other nonsense. All right, but this is the chances you take. I watched the dude who made the chip do everything with his hands. Like, he touched everything with his hands, so why should I be afraid of? All right, so it looks like it goes this way. All right, that looks about right. So flip this biatch upside down. Damn. Really supposed to use like 2 hands or a tool. All right, that wasn't that bad. C2, you garbage. I can't say garbage, like too much garbage, because you worked for, I don't know, 8 years. So it's kind of respectable, somewhat. All right, there's our new jammy. Damn, you know, my camera skills are wiggity whack, but let's see. Okay, that should be done. All right, we'll go pop this bitch in the car. We'll see what happens. Mk3's back. Horn works, gauges work. I'm gonna let the shit idle for a little bit. Let it get up to 10. And we'll take it up and down the street. Super loud. Yeah, I'm gonna try to pull up to Tim and have him put the muffler on. I can't roll around like this, like so fucking loud. And we gotta roll the fenders later. All right, I'm gonna let this shit idle. All right, so this is moving. Neighbors are not happy. I already had one neighbor give me the mean mug, like, cause it's loud as fuck. And I like to explain to him, you know, like I'm just now getting it like together. before. I was just driving this shit. I just seen smoke just coming out through the dash. Right, and then the car started acting funny. I got a code for the math. So I go to this shit. Bro, look at this. It just melted. Look at this. It's a fucking math. This is what got my attention. I got a fucking math code. And this shit was like breaking up. Okay, I took a look at it, and boom, all this shit just like melted itself together. It was like a plume of fucking smoke. So I'm like, what are the chances that I'm gonna make this shit 100% again? Finding all the little fucking breaks. And I have no idea how far it goes back either. It's such bullshit. That's what I'm about to do. Snatch this fucking harness. Oh my God. Why can't I just be happy? Why won't anything work? For me. It's the bad harness. It's cooked. This is the one out the Mk3 GTI. It's missing so much. Now, luckily, I got another Jetta Coupe over there. This harness is actually complete. So, I might be smiling by the end of today. I don't know. We gonna wish hope for the best, you know? I might be smiling. Okay. So there's these small ass ones. They were like chilling up here or some bullshit like that. I just like disconnected them just to make the spaghetti a little bit easier to work with, right? And I got loose random ones like this, right? And then I think there was a few that went into the back of this shit. These tiny ones. I didn't really think any of them shits are really important because everything in the back of the box. It's just so hard to film. All them bitches back there. Okay, and then these are the only ones that's really left. That ain't shit. That didn't even come through the firewall. I don't know what that one is, or that one. The one that goes above that steering wheel is this little green one right here. This shit went like back here somewhere. That's not really an issue though. But I'm getting failure to communicate. I think I'm one fucking wire away. You know, maybe one or two away from cutting this bitch back on. Who's back? I gotta roll these fenders though. Chewing up. 2 rear tires are getting chewed up heavily. So, we out here. Can't hear a thing.